Now, friends, let's understand this capsule number 12, that is departmental OAR and two-tier MHR. Friends, we studied 6 types of absorption. A company can calculate one absorption rate for the company as a whole. A company can also calculate department-wise absorption rate, one absorption rate for every department. And that is called departmental overheads absorption rate, departmental OAR. Now, if your department does more of machining work, it is called machine oriented. For such department, we calculate MHR, that is budgeted overheads. If your department is labor oriented, we calculate LHR, that is budgeted overheads upon budgeted labor. Okay, so your department may have labor activity or machine activity. Accordingly, we'll calculate. Different departments can have different. Got it? Departmental OA. Now, as I said, a company can calculate on one absorption rate. A company can calculate department-wise absorption rate. A company can wise absorption rate. In fact, there can be two absorption rate for one machine. And when you have two absorption rates, one machine called two-tier M. When two absorption rates are computed for a machine called two-tier image. How? Long back when I was in, there was no computer at our home. Internet is out of question. So what we used to do is it cyber cafe. There, I had to pay 70 rupees per hour for the use of, and if I wanted internet access, I had to pay. So when I wanted computer with internet, it had to be 70 plus 50, it was 120. There is one machine computer. You use only computer, you are charged 70, and with internet, you are charged 120. One machine absorption rate called two-tier image. The difference is just of one facility. Got it? So friends, this is two-tier image. Remember, the absorption rate can be one for the company, can be department-wise rate, You also have two different types of